Hi everyone. So this might be my last Allure box. It's just too much skincare. I can't take it. I just can't. I'm trying to simplify my life and the Allure box is just making it way too complicated. Life should be simple, you know? Like when you have a messy bun, it should literally take you a minute. It should not take you half an hour to create that messy bun look. Well, since this is gonna be my last box, I'm gonna make it nice and short and sweet for you guys. If you are into skincare, then the Allure box is a good box to get because it has a lot of skincare. Let me just show you what I got in my November Allure box. First up is this SelfEsteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't give up on Allure box. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at this packaging. Ooh. There you go. Ooh. Glycolic, salicylic, and L-ascorbic acids. So the salicylic and glycolic acid in this serum helps with congestion and promote cell turnover. So it's good for acne and unclogging your pores. Ooh, she's saying the review in their little pamphlet that they always have says that she used to get a lot of little bumps on her chin and nose, and they've gone down significantly. And she's even noticed fewer blackheads. Wow. And it's priced at $42. I do want to see what this serum looks like from the inside. Ooh. Smells kind of chemically. I guess because it's all these different acids. All right, up next is this Real Ferment Micro Essence 93% Micro Bioferment Complex. Ooh, this is interesting. It's in this type of container. That's kind of weird. Like, how would you apply that? Oh, it's very liquidy. Bad idea. Although this transparent fluid looks like a mini bottle of Avos water, it's spiked with rice and yeast ferments that improve the skin's microbiome. Ooh. This essence helps bind all the layers of hydration together, helps with the microbiome on your skin. Hopefully, maybe that will fight the bacteria as you improve the population of the good bacteria on your skin. That should help crowd out the bad bacteria on your skin, which can cause acne. That's what I'm assuming would happen with this. This is pretty good. Price $38. Up next, we have this Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Oh, I have like a dandruff issue, but I feel like every time I use the Naturelab shampoo, it goes away. So do I really need all these fancy scalp scrubs? I'm not sure. Supposedly cleans your hair so nicely that you don't have to wash your hair for 2 weeks. I don't understand that. And it foams up like a dream, she says. And this is what it looks like from the inside. It's like very creamy. And I took some. Yeah, I could feel that texture in here. Oh my God, it smells delicious. It's priced at $16. We have some makeup here. This Mannakadar Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. Smells kind of fruity. Not a lot of product is coming out though. Barely anything got on my... That's kind of weird. It's like... Yeah, you really gotta find the product. There you go. Priced at $22. Something that you can't even get out of the container. Alright. What else is in here? What is this? Ooh, natural long wear liquid eyeshadow. So they do have makeup in here. Cute packaging. Okay. Interesting. How smooth that looks. $30. Holy, I've never really tried liquid eyeshadow, so it'll be interesting to try this out. And then they have, it seems like this is a sample, Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Yeah, it's like a, feels like a sample. They have a little eye mask. So they give you a few more goodies like this, which is really cute. And then the last product in here is Biocellulose Sheet Mask by a company called Wen. The last choice. I am very interested in using that glycolic salicylic acid serum and also that essence, the microbiome essence. Sounds really interesting. With these two products together, I really want to see if it has any sort of effect, a significant change to my skin. And the scalp scrub smells so delicious, so luscious. Overall, I would say a decent box for $23 per month. I keep saying this every month, but maybe I will give it one more month, which is gonna be December, and perhaps the new year I will start with some sort of clarity that do I keep the Allure box or do I not? What do you guys think? Give me some comments down below. Should I keep it or should I let it go and try out another box that I could possibly really love? This one, I have my questions about whether I should keep it or not, but perhaps if I give another box a try, I will absolutely love that other box. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!